I'm not supposed to be playing with my big brother's toys. He would not like it if he found out. But can you blame me? I mean, what if I want to play with my own RC car? Problem is, no one makes an RC car for girls. Until now. Here comes GIRLMAZING. Now I've got a car of my very own that's just as good as the boys, and in some ways, even better. Whoa, it's just as fast. It's just as fun, but it's way more fabulous. So there's nothing stopping me from tearing up the streets. It's a real remote-controlled car just for me. And there's so many models to choose from, like Chevy Camaro, Lamborghini, Jeep Wrangler, and Ford Mustang. It's also way more customizable with loads of stickers, so I can really make it my very own. With so many different combinations, the possibilities are endless. That choice is up to me. Sorry, big brother. Not this time. This one's for us. It's not for boys. It's GIRLMAZING.
Experience the world of Nintendo Mario Kart Mini Anti-Gravity RC Racer by Jakks Pacific. Maneuver Mario from up to 100 feet away with the 2.4 GHz RC wireless remote. With full-function steering control, in race mode the kart performs tricks like 360-degree spins and wheelies. Activate the anti-gravity mode to transform the wheels and show off with amazing drifts, just like the game. Recommended for ages 4 and up. Batteries not included. The world of Nintendo Mario Kart Mini Anti-Gravity RC Racer by Jakks Pacific.
The zero-gravity laser racer from Hogs. Defy gravity. Race on the ceiling. Race on the walls. Race on the floor. You control it with patented laser technology. The zero-gravity laser racer from Hogs. Batteries not included, each sold separately.